how much should you actually spend on a toiletry kit? Because they all seem pretty similar. Same features, same shiny packaging. But here's the thing, price doesn't always mean quality. Let's break down the best options out there so you can make a smart choice.
Product number 1, Convenience Kits Women's Deluxe. The Convenience Kits International Women's Deluxe 10-piece kit. This caught my eye with its range of essentials packed into a neat TSA-compliant bag, all for a price that's pretty reasonable. If you want a comprehensive travel kit that checks all the boxes for hygiene, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes travel-size shampoo, conditioner, and a bunch of other must-haves, making it perfect for everything from vacations to quick getaways. With over 5,000 sold in just a month, that says a lot about its popularity. The coconut scent is nice and refreshing, which is a bonus for your travel vibe. Plus, it's not just for vacations, it's also great for hospital bags or even gym trips. Now, some users mentioned that the sizes might feel a bit small for longer trips. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for essentials for a weekend getaway or a short business trip, those sizes are usually more than enough. Plus, you can easily restock. This is perfect for you if you travel frequently and want a hassle-free way to carry your toiletries. Skip this one if you need larger sizes or plan for a longer trip. For the price, you definitely get what you need. Now, if the focus on women's products isn't your thing, the next one on the list caters specifically to men.
Product number 2, Trek Tote 15-piece Women's Travel Kit. The Trek Tote 15-piece Women's Travel and Hygiene Kit. Priced at just $13.99, this kit offers a solid mix of essentials that are all TSA approved. If you want a straightforward, all-in-one solution for your travel hygiene needs, this kit deserves your attention. Packed with everything from a razor to cotton swabs, it's got you covered for any situation. Each item is under 3.4 ounces, which means you can breeze through airport security without a worry. There's something incredibly reassuring about having all these items pre-assembled and sealed in a clear bag. It makes packing feel effortless. However, I did see some feedback about the quality of some items being subpar, particularly the razor. But honestly, when you're traveling, it's more about convenience than luxury for most people. If you're okay with a basic razor for the trip, this won't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward, no-fuss travel kit. Skip this if you want high-end products or are particularly picky about your toiletries. For the price, it's a solid value. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for guys.
Product number 3, Convenience Kits Men's Super Deluxe. We've got the Convenience Kits International Men's Super Deluxe 16-piece kit. This one is a bit of a heavy hitter in terms of essentials, and it's designed specifically for men. If staying fresh while traveling is your priority, check this out. This kit includes everything from shaving cream to shampoo, all in TSA-compliant sizes. That means whether you're hitting the road for work or leisure, you'll be ready. It's designed to cater to men who want efficiency without sacrificing quality. It's compact and fits nicely in any bag, making it a breeze to carry. However, I did notice some reviews mention that it could use a bit more variety in the products included, but most of the essentials are there. And let's be honest, most people don't need 100 options when they're just trying to clean up on the go. This is perfect if you're a frequent traveler or someone who wants a no-brainer solution for your toiletries. Skip this if you prefer a more extensive range of personal care products. For what you get, it's a great deal. If you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next product might interest you.
Product number 4, Convenience Kits Women's Lucetta Kit. At just $9.96, this kit offers a fantastic value for travelers. If you want a simple and effective way to keep your hygiene in check while on the road, let's take a closer look. This kit features 10 travel-sized essentials, including shampoo and conditioner, making it perfect for those quick trips. The unscented formula is great for sensitive skin, and it's TSA approved, so you won't face any issues at the airport. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with buyers. The downside, some users felt that the items could be too basic for longer vacations. But honestly, if you're just looking for the essentials, this won't be a problem at all. It's a great kit to have on hand if you're a light packer. This is perfect for you if you want budget-friendly toiletries for short trips. Skip this one if you need a more extensive kit for prolonged travel. For under $10, it's a steal. Now, if you're more into organizational convenience, let's talk about the last product. Product number 5, Bag Smart Toiletry Bag. We have the Bag Smart Toiletry Bag for men. Priced at $14.22. This isn't just a bag, it's designed for serious organization. If you want something that keeps all your toiletries in one place while being easy to access, this might be the one for you. This bag has a large capacity and multiple compartments to keep your items organized. The water-resistant material means you don't have to worry about spills ruining your day. Plus, the double zipper design allows for easy access to everything inside. It truly makes packing your essentials feel effortless. One thing I found was that some users felt it could be a bit bulky for certain travel situations. But honestly, if you're someone who carries quite a bit of stuff, this extra room can be a blessing, especially for family trips. This is perfect for you if you want a bag that offers great organization and versatility. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra compact. For the price, it's a solid investment. So there you have it, the top 5 toiletry kits that cater to various needs and preferences.
We've covered a variety of toiletry kits, from the comprehensive convenience kits tailored for women and men to the versatile Bag Smart Organizer. Each kit serves a specific purpose, making it easier for you to find the right one for your needs. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just need a quick fix for your next trip, there's something here for everyone. Happy travels!